Now moving into our next award, #1 in orthoplastic surgery, ophthalmology, dermatology, diabetology, dentistry, IVF and fertility, and emerging category. The award goes to
IMS SUM Hospital Campus 3, Sitalapalli, Behrampur, is a modern 240-bedded tertiary care hospital established to bring advanced healthcare closer to the people of South Odisha. The hospital provides comprehensive services across orthopedics, plastic surgery, ophthalmology, dermatology, diabetology, dentistry, and women's health and fertility care. Equipped with modern operation theatres, advanced diagnostics, rehabilitation facilities, specialized clinical units, and experienced healthcare professionals, the hospital delivers quality treatment for a wide range of medical and surgical conditions. From trauma care and joint disorders to vision care, skin health, metabolic disease management, dental services, and reproductive health care. Campus 3 offers integrated and patient-focused treatment under one roof. As a key extension of SOA Healthcare Network, it is transforming access to quality healthcare across South Odisha.